Could hear him before. Julie's gonna love opening the gates. Oh, ABS must be turned off. I slid on the gravel. Nice up here. Very windy out today. Apparently Hyundai are testing the rally cars up in the Dovey today, but we could hear him before. Let's hope they aren't coming up here, eh? Lovely up in the woods. Cameras don't do this these woods justice, though. They're extremely steep. Time it is 20 to 1. Be dinner time by the time we get to civilization. Second gear is only just about trying to hold back. I've got to use the brakes now. That's how steep this road is. We're on a twin, so there should be more back braking on it. .30 mile an hour, right off the throttle in second. Now the gate for Julie. Don't know why I put it into gear then, it would just roll down there. So far in the suspension I've gone 2 clicks each side softer from standard setting, and I've gone about 5 or 6 turns on the preload softer. Even 2 clicks both sides has made a hell of a difference to on the road. You don't feel any bumps now, but I think it needs a little bit softer. I've got a screwdriver with me, so I think another click each side softer, but I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the manual which is a preload and which is a rebound and which is a compression stroke on the forks, or it's just the compression side you can adjust. I'm not sure, but I've adjusted the both sides off 2 turns and it feels a heck of a lot nicer on the roads now. As before it was every little, well, even on the main roads, all the potholes and stuff you were hitting were quite harsh. Now it's just glides over them. But I think I need to go a little bit softer yet, and then we'll try her on a bit of off-road sometime to see what it's like on there, and it's probably going to go softer again. But I will put a zip tie on the front forks and try it off-road and see how how much travel she is using. No point in having all the suspension and you're not using it all off on an off-road bike. On the road you're not going to use all the travel, but off-road you will. Softening it off has made a big difference to the comfort of the seat as well, believe it or not. If you got one of these bikes, we done 160 mile on it the first day I owned it, and I thought the seat was not as comfortable as I'd like it to be. I don't know how many miles we done today on it, 40 odd mile on the one stint up here, and the seat is very comfy again now. I think the suspension has took the harshness out of the seat as well. It was set up way too hard as standard, this bike. I don't know what other riders think who have got them, but it hasn't affected the road holding on the road neither, softening it off. Steers exactly the same, and it's not diving on the brakes neither. So I could go with definitely another turn off to make it softer again. I want to go up in that hole sometime, see what's in there. Won't be taking the bike in there, it's a bit rocky to get up there, isn't it? Old railway crossing there. I'm saying if it's a lot of wind noise, I'm in a open face motocross helmet, so and it's pretty windy today. Stay there, mate. You're going to turn in across.